Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Welcome back. We continue to track these storms that are in the area. The main area of concern is here in Wheeler County as well as Telfair County. For the last couple of hours, we've had a lot of lightning associated with these storms, and also they contain a lot of moisture. And if you have a lot of moisture in the area and if it's just stagnant and just continues to rain over the same area time and time again, that's going to create a flooding issue. So we are definitely keeping an eye out on that. So in the most part, now as we look into Bibb County here, it's just a few flashes of lightning out there. And there's also a storm that we're also keeping an eye out that's just west of Warner Robins. Now looking live at our 41 Skyview camera over Forsyth, brought to you by Volume Chevrolet. This is this downburst that we're seeing. Also, there's some lightning there too. But notice right there, that shadow that you see right there is loaded with a lot of moisture. And when you have a lot of moisture like that, it has to release. And when it releases, boy, you get these downpours. Typical summertime activity. Now it's 81 degrees. It feels like 84. The humidity 74%. That dew point is 72, and the winds are south-southwest at 7 miles per hour. Now around the state right now, those temperatures are mainly in the upper 80s to low 90s. Areas in which you notice, like Vidalia is 73. That's because that's rain-cooled air. They have tremendous amounts of rain that's coming down with those storms there. 86 for Albany, 80 for Rome, and 96 for Athens. Now what you need to know is that we will continue to be in this pattern of scattered thunderstorms, and that's going to be a possibility each and every day after afternoon. That's what we're trying to say. Now some of those storms may produce isolated downbursts, damaging winds, and flash flooding. And the heat values are going to be anywhere from 100 to 104 for tomorrow afternoon. The rainfall totals over the past 24 hours is almost 2 inches down here at Eastman. We got 1 inch and 1300ths of an inch down in Abbeville. It's a trace in other areas. So this is why you say you just have a roulette wheel of rain. Some people will see it, some people won't. And when they see it, boy, do they get it. Now looking at the heat index right now, it feels like 102 in Gordon, it feels like 91 in Warner Robins, but it feels like 73 in Cochran. And look at Eastman, it feels like 61. And the dew points mainly are in the upper 70s. You have a couple of 80s there, Milledgeville 82. And then our Storm Prediction Center model here puts us at a level 1 out of 5 for severe weather for today and then tomorrow as well. Now looking at the muggy meter, that's mainly going to be at the very humid to miserable level there. The rain chances will go up over the next couple of days and then come down toward the weekend. And the low temperatures will be in the low 70s, highs tomorrow in the low 90s. And looking at that futurecast, we will continue to have a few showers around tonight. I'll have your 7-day forecast in about 10 seconds. Here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. We're looking at a number of thunderstorms throughout the area. Things will start to quiet down later on tonight. The cycle repeats again for tomorrow and Friday and also into the weekend.